related to a dance that originated with the hardworking Sakadas or farmers. Tiklos is a folk dance that is performed during a gala or gathering. Think of it as a simple, joyful party dance. The farmers, after a long day's work, would gather and dance to the beat of drums and gipaw, a celebration of camaraderie and community. Let's give it up for HRSC1 as they bring the spirit of the farm onto the stage. Wow, thank you for that lovely performance, HRSC1. Now let us proceed. From the Visayas, we have a dance that tells a story of humility and charm. Pobreng Alintahaw is a dance inspired by the Alintahaw or dragonfly, focusing on the notion of a poor but graceful creature. It depicts a man trying to